There are different ways of adding your Panopto videos to Moodle, and one of the options is to use the Panopto activity in Moodle. Using this option allows you to connect Panopto quiz grades to Moodle, and it also automatically restricts access to students who are currently enrolled in your course without you manually changing the sharing settings. On your Moodle course, enable Edit Mode. Click on Add an Activity or Resource to the section where you want to add the video. Navigate to the Activities menu and select the Panopto icon. On the page, click Select Content. Choose the video you want to add to Moodle. And click Insert. After selecting your video, notice the video name will automatically populate in the activity name text field. You can always change the name if you need. If you want to connect Panopto quiz grades to Moodle, expand the Privacy section and select Accept Grades from the tool. Otherwise, leave this option unchecked. Click Save and Return to Course to save the change. Now you will see the link to the Panopto video is added to the Moodle course.